All right, good morning. Market is open. Almost on the first minute. Here, kind of retracing back into the news gap. Making our way all the way down to VWAP there.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm just chopping around VWAP right now. Not really going anywhere. Kind of just taking its time. Pretty big candle off open though. It's 1 minute candle. It's 50 points from top to bottom. But yeah, kind of holding up at the bottom here. Right on top of VWAP. Not really any other news today. But we did have the news at 6:30 in the morning. Obviously moved the market quite a bit. Up 100 points in 1 minute. Since then, kind of just been chopping up and down a little bit. And yeah, it just looks like we retraced most of it. Now we're bouncing VWAP. See if we can get up to these overnight highs, the top of the data candle as well. Could be a nice sweep to go lower. Getting back to that 90 MA. Kind of rejecting off of it just a little bit. Could be not a bad short here. Get up below the 50s here. Could be a good short. Be a little bear flag. But to keep our eye on that. Could be a good trade. So far, just going up though. Going up and up. Buyers stepping up, pushing it back up to the top of this range here. Buyers a little weak on the volume though, the delta. So we'll see what that means,
Order
if that means
submitted.
anything. But I think if we get below the 54s, we get a little push down.
Order filled.
Alright, risking a little bit more on this trade than some others. Risking over 20 points. Oh, go break even. There, that was a crazy little spike down. I was gonna say, it might not be the best trade with VWAP kind of down here. So I might have to be a little cautious with this trade, which I still am doing. But sellers kind of came in there pretty heavily. Still might get stopped out of break even here.
Stop
Unfortunately, a little bit above break even just to account for some slippage. A little unfortunate there, super kind of volatile. Got stopped out. Still might make our way down to our target though. But we're VWAP's right here at the 47s. So it wasn't the best trade anyways. I'm kind of just glad I didn't lose that trade. Again, still might work out here, but with VWAP right there, it's a little hard to be super confident with that because often we do bounce VWAP, which is what it did and why I got stopped out of break even anyways. But it is looking like the market is going to push down. Fill the gap and continue lower. It's kind of what it's looking like. Yeah, a little scary there with VWAP. Kind of had to go break even there, just in case it bounced VWAP and stopped me out. But that's right, we'll get another one. Definitely find some more trades today. We did just take out the data low, so we'll see if we kind of sweep it, maybe reverse out of it, or if we can push through it and start making our way towards the next low, the next level. Yeah, kind of rejecting the lows there. But buyer's still looking pretty good. ES is lagging behind though. ES still has not taken out the lows. ES is kind of making its way down, but it's pretty slow. Again, it hasn't taken out the lows, whereas NASDAQ just did. Right, took out these 1 minute lows, the data lows, everything. See a little divergence there between ES and NASDAQ. Which typically means the market's a little undecided of which way it wants to go. Kind of hard to be bearish when ES is not bearish, and vice versa, right? Bullish if ES is not bullish. Same with if you're trading ES, try the same thing. If you're trading ES and the Nasdaq's making lows, and ES is not, you probably don't want to go long on ES because Nasdaq's making lows. So see if the ES can get some sellers in and can catch up, take out the lows. We'll see if we get another kind of pullback bear flag to play out here. Continue this downtrend potentially. Maybe we reverse here to get this high in the 1 minute, and then we might be looking for some longs. Get past the 80s, the 980 80s. The ES does look like it's rolling over a little bit, making its way lower. But still struggling to really push any lower here. Kind of just holding here at these lows. Got yesterday's high here as well from the New York session. Right there at the 921. See, I kind of bouncing off of that right now as we speak. Making our way back up to VWAP. K-Dubs, welcome back to the stream. Yeah, kind of holding this 9 EMA. But buyers could be stepping up here. We kind of swept the data lows there from the news earlier, and kind of struggling to push any lower. So this could be the move up. Might just be the pullback though. Continue lower. Yeah, still kind of being a little weird today. It did not take out these lows. It just kind of found a higher low, and then it is bouncing. Now it's almost at the highs of this swing here if you were to compare the two. So definitely not correlated, and a little bit of that divergence. A lot of people look for that. I do a bit too. Right, if we're trending down, but ES is like failing to take lows, right? If it's making higher lows, higher highs, as the Nasdaq's making the opposite, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Kind of hard to be bearish and go short. So far, price actions definitely a bit better than the past couple of days. Nice little pullback, nice little short there. Kind of made a little flag with these three candles, but not a lot of room for entry. And I think I've talked about this before, but see the second candle here, the green one? There's no wick on the bottom, which means as soon as this candle opened, there was not a single seller to push the price lower. I mean, sure, there might have been a couple to kind of, bounce it around up here, but not a single seller had enough balls to push it in the red even a little bit. Not a little bit of red on this candle, so there's no wick. Just pushed straight up. And so even though this is a kind of bear flag, without the wick down there, it's not my favorite. Compared to something like this, right? This line's kind of in the way. Same with this. But we almost had a candle that kind of did the same thing here. But in general, we had like the sellers here, one little wick, then a higher wick, higher wick, higher wick. And then we reject off the EMAs, break past the low of this wick. Chopped, went up a little bit. But then we had to push down and it was good. The only reason we went break even on that one is because VWAP is right here. So we got down to VWAP. And this candle was kind of bouncing up and down pretty heavily, unfortunately. So it kind of forced us to go break even just to play it safe in case it did bounce VWAP and go and stop us out. But then it did continue lower. So it was a good trade overall. Just a little unfortunate with the volatility and with VWAP right there. Kind of just chopping around here below VWAP and right above the New York high from yesterday, like we mentioned earlier. We're sitting right there at the 921. Right there. Not sure what that is. Yeah, that is yesterday's high. Right there. Bounced off it several times now. Thank you for liking the live. Appreciate it. El Brutal. Still chopping around though, unfortunately. Kind of failing to push lower, push through these highs from yesterday. So maybe we are kind of finding the bottom here. Could push up, push these highs. Get above the EMAs here, break the highs. Could be looking good to change the trend, go long here. ES is already taking out the highs, right? ES is already up here, just in comparison, right? Took out these highs and wants to go higher. So I guess I do have an ES chart here. I think that'll show up on the stream. Yeah, you can see right here, ES hit the lows, higher low, took out the highs. NASDAQ is down here still. So kind of working its way up, right? Trying to catch up a little bit, but kind of looking for it to take out these highs as well. Get up there and kind of flip bullish here. Buyers just need to step up, get past these EMAs, get past VWAP. We're getting kind of stuck below it right now. Dang, almost 700 likes. Jeez. You guys go crazy. Alright, we did take out this high on the 1 minute. It's not the most important high, right? Just had like a little pullback and then we pushed down. But it's still kind of a high, right? Kind of took it out. Looks like we just wicked above it. Now we're rejecting right back down. Yeah, we need to get above this high at the, what is this? 976. Need to get past that high. Kind of struggling. Still kind of holding VWAP pretty well. Ooh, there's the sellers. Came out of nowhere. With them shorts. No, yeah. I mean, the sellers are still in control here. ES is also taking out some of the lows here now. Not quite the low lows, right? It's not all the way down there yet, but take out these lows in the middle. And the shorts could be the play. No reason for longs. Yeah, no, that's what we were kind of talking about earlier. I mean, we were looking like we wanted to push the highs, right? Catch up with ES, because ES was up here at the highs, looking good for the longs. But the Nasdaq was still down here. So, and VWAP sitting right there as well. So until we got above VWAP, right, push these highs at the 76s, I definitely was not looking for any sort of a long personally. Up 450 so far. Let's go. That's a pretty good win, especially if you're on like a 50K propfirm account or anything like that. That's pretty solid. Let's see if I can do the same here. Yeah, kind of looking for some shorts right now. We could have a bear flag playing out here. Bounce off this EMA. And this further leg gap as well. Yeah, get in on that pullback. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. Don't want to time the bottom here. But yeah, if we can hold these EMAs, we're still kind of in this choppy range here. It's not my favorite. But if we can hold these EMAs, push down here below the 915 area, could be looking good to take a short. $40, $45 a good short area. That is also a good short area. Alright, kind of pulling back now. I mean, yeah, if you got in at the 40s there, definitely going. Looking good now. Bouncing off those EMAs.
Order filled.
Well, this trade's a little big. It's a little heavy. Well, let's see if we can push down here nicely. Continue the short here after the pullback. It is kind of a rangy area, right? So that's probably why, like you said, shorting at the 45. Probably a better trade, right? Get a better entry kind of with the range. That is the problem with the trade I took, is kind of got in at the lower end of the range. But we had the bear flag here, right? And we broke broke lower. So this is a good opportunity for the market to really take out these wicks and break lower. Made a little bit of progress there, but kind of rejecting. Yeah, I think if you let it play out, just give it a little bit of time. Just gonna get through yesterday's high there, that blue line as well, and hold below it. Sometimes, yeah, you just gotta be patient. Yeah, down to the 80-90s would be awesome. It's kind of where I got my target. Kind of a 1-to-1, right? I got my stop up there. If it takes out the high. Yeah, if we take out this low here, I'll probably go break even. It is holding pretty well. But yeah, we are kind of just in this range, right? Kind of bouncing between the top and the bottom just a little bit. So ideally I don't get stopped out. And we hold this area right here. Or this EMA. We got the EMA right there as well. Yeah, just gotta get back down there again. We'll be chilling. Yeah, sellers still looking pretty good here on Delta as well. Not a lot of buyers stepping up. But price is making its way. It's making its way up there. Yeah, I could wick back up there. Kind of hard to finally stop any higher. Just because of the extra risk. And everything. But it definitely could chop around before we go lower, which would be unfortunate. Yeah, it does like to take out the stops. It's been doing that a lot recently, the past couple of weeks. Even if your stop's in a good spot, it'll just kind of take it out and then make the move. Makes it a little bit hard to trade. Pretty easy to blow up accounts and everything. But so far, I've been surviving. Yeah, good hold there. Good rejection off that little line I drew. Good thing I drew it right. Just kidding. But still kind of holding this New York high from yesterday. Blue line I drew. That's what that is. Yesterday's high. Kind of holding it. But we're getting kind of tight. So if we can just squeeze out of it, should be chilling. Definitely not the cleanest trade though. I mean, definitely still should play out here if we continue to be patient. Let it play out like you said. But yeah, a little bit of chop here. Yeah, still holding this 9 EMA pretty well. Kind of struggling to go lower as well. Getting really tight now. I feel like any second now it's gonna break. Could be higher, could be lower. But yeah, again, pretty tight here with both the 9 EMA, this trend line, the high from yesterday. Just getting really tight right in here. Oh, I moved it. Oops. Oh yeah, I did kind of push the highs there. Yeah, it could get wicked out, stopped out.
Stop filled.
Yeah, a little unfortunate there. Yeah, it looks like that little sweep, kind of all she had in it for now. I mean, yeah, we had like a nice little push through the wicks for the bear flag, but not quite enough to go like break even for me. Still up like 10 points though, so maybe should have been break even on the 10 points there. Sometimes I like to do that on these smaller scalps, right? You're up 10 points, put a break even. But yeah, taking out stops, it could still continue lower for sure. I do think if we get above the 76s up here, we could be flipping to go long, depending on like how delta and volume is looking. ES is also, once again, taking out all these highs on the 1 minute. So with that in mind, I definitely think we could be switching to going long here. Kind of hard to be bearish when ES is taking out all the highs. So I did take out these highs as well on the 1 minute. Yeah, no, that was a good short. Yeah, range trading is not my favorite, right? Just like selling kind of at the top of this range, right? We did have like the 21 EMA sitting at the 45 level. We had definitely plenty of reasons to go short. And I have taken some trades like that before, but I kind of like a little bit more confirmation, right? But yeah, if you took a sell there at the 45, you wouldn't have gone in, but the 40 right here, you would have got a nice short. Would have made some good money. But yeah, this is kind of what I'd be afraid of personally with that situation, is if you try it again, right? If you sell the 40s, 45, 50 area again, now you're kind of in some rough water, right? As we push up. And again, ES already took out all these highs, so I think it's only a matter of time before the NASDAQ does the same. Yeah, here's the buyers coming in. So yeah, would have worked out here. Would have been a great spot to sell, but over here would have been a little scary. Probably would have stopped out some people already, depending on how wide your stop was. Still pushing higher, getting back to the highs over here that we've been waiting for. Could be good to take a bull flag here if we can build one out nicely. We get a nice pullback to that EMA. Slowly making our way up still. Kind of waiting for a pullback to maybe get long here. But I still kind of want to get past the 80s here to really confirm the bullish trend. Not sure if we'll be able to get it just yet. Well, as I say that, here we are pushing up. Yeah, just gonna have to be a little patient. Alright, there's the push of the 75s. Almost got it. Nasdaq's still a little slow here. Kind of making a double top here on the 1 minute. Kind of failed to get the high here. But ES, I mean, we're going to the moon over on ES. We're taking out the overnight highs too. There we go, we did swipe the high there. See if we can hold through and keep pushing. A little pullback here. Yeah, a little sweep there, a little pullback. We should hold it though and keep going higher. Or maybe this a bit more than a pullback. Sellers kind of coming back here. Yes, pulling back a little bit too, but still sitting pretty high. Kind of bouncing off the highs actually. Nasdaq still down here. Making our way back down to VWAP. See if we can hold it or not. This could be kind of the spot that we find support, right, with VWAP. Bullish for value gap. as well as the Asia high here. So it could be some good support. Make our way higher. But I don't know, seller's kind of strong here on Delta. We could be moving down a little bit more. This might be a little fake reversal here. Yeah, still sitting at the highs though. Hard to imagine the Nasdaq doesn't try and go catch up to ES. Get back up to the highs. Yeah, the higher time frames are still looking good for the longs. So we are again the buyers stepping up again. Got a good pullback there, but hasn't built out a flag or anything for me to feel good about getting in on it. But that's right. Hopefully, you take out these highs, continue higher. Maybe another little pullback for an entry. Still kind of struggling to take out the highs here. The ES is trying to make some new highs. Nice bull flag there, kind of playing out at the highs. Yeah, Nasdaq a little ugly here, a little choppy. Kind of struggling a little bit. Not really sure what it wants to do. Could be making the push here, potentially. Gotta be careful what I say though. I might jinx it. I might start chopping around for the next 30 minutes. Definitely want to be the first time. But yeah, looking good. Looking like it wants to go. The buyers are here. Yes, taking out the highs. Still kind of just wicking down a little bit. Not making it easy on the buyers. But sellers ain't really going down either, so just waiting, just being patient for setup. Oh, here come the sellers. Dang, I don't know what it is about the 70s, but we just can't get past it. Nasdaq really struggling to get up there, pulling back. Kind of just shopping around. Could take out these lows, could make our way back down to the lows of the day, but also kind of just bouncing back to the top of the range. Could still take out the highs. Sellers just had to scare everybody there. But the buyers just undid all the progress from the sellers there. Right back up to the top. Just gotta push through the 70s and the 80s. I mean, we've been really struggling to for quite a while now. Can we do it? This could be the push. But it could be the fake out. Once again. Yeah, still rejecting the highs there, still struggling. Yeah, kind of choppy. Might have to some games here for a sec just to let the market figure out what it wants to do. So I don't drive myself crazy. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm bullish or bearish right now. Kind of just chopping around here. I'm still definitely leaning a little bit more towards the bullish side. Just because if we look at ES is sitting up here at the highs. Right, we did have a little pullback. But also got back up there. Kind of chilling. We could take out some of these lows again, make our way lower. But I don't know, as much as it's not going higher, it's also not going lower. So still kind of bullish despite this terrible price action. I mean, we're basically just doing nothing and probably just gonna do nothing. So might get some Battlefield 1 here going so we can shoot some people while we wait for the market to go. Because once it goes, it'll go and we can find an entry. But right now it's just not going. So there's no point in overanalyzing and over trading here, making any trades that we don't want to see. Slowly making its way up. See if we can break the highs here. Or if we find some more support, we could struggle some more. We'll see. We will see. Kind of swept the highs there. Rejected back down. Looks like we're testing them again. It is looking on the 5 minute. Even like the 3 minutes, some of the other time frames. It's looking good for the bulls here.
An objective butter. We have taken objective Duff.
Alright, there's a good little push. Still not craziest of pushes. But we are pushing. Nonetheless, got past the 70s finally. May make our way up to the 80s. So this definitely could be a little bit of the price action that we need to kind of confirm that bullish bias. Yeah, see if we get a pullback here, see if we can continue a little bit higher. Give us a little bit more confidence before we make any trades. If you're new here, thanks for checking out the stream. Appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoy. If not, no worries. Yeah, still making our way higher. Keep an eye on this. Well, something whizzed past my head. But yeah, I might play a little Battlefield, just again, kind of distract myself from the market, maybe provide a little entertainment for you guys. But I'm still gonna be watching that price like a hawk. Make sure we don't miss any trades as we slowly make our way up. But again, yeah, hopefully me playing some games will make the market move, right? This happened the other day. I started playing some games.
We have lost.
Market started going crazy, so I had to like stop playing games so I could focus on trading. But yeah, right now, still taking a little time to really get moving. Let's see if we can get a decent pullback here. Might be going long off. We can build out a bull flag, bounce off the 9 EMA there. The server's, I guess the server's about full. I was gonna say it's kind of feeling a little empty. I don't want to fight the flamethrower there.
I'll deal with those wounds if you like.
Ah, I heard something. Didn't realize how far away he was. Couldn't quite get around the corner. Alright, speaking of bow flags, we almost had one here. Could be forming something here. Yeah, it could be bouncing off the CMA. Unless the sellers just push all the way down. That could also be a thing. Alright, keep our eye on it. But making it a little hard to go long here. Sellers just kind of going crazy.
Smoke grenade out! You want me to patch your wounds?
Got a couple guys over here. See if we can get them. So my teammates already.
That's a tank!
Got some of them. We kill each other. Well, that's embarrassing. Alright, depending on how this candle closes, if we kind of get up here and close. But we did not. I was going to say something, but we did not close up here. Yeah, kind of failed to build the bull flag there. And now we are bouncing back up. We have this bearish fair value gap. We kind of got below the EMAs there. Definitely a couple different reasons to not go long, but the buyers are still pushing through a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. ES kind of taking out the lows here, looking like it could be a reversal. Again, kind of doing very different things today, the ES and the NASDAQ. Kind of both at the lows and the highs, but I mean, we're not even anywhere close to these highs up here.
I'll fix those wounds.
Barely got him. Alright, buyer's still pushing up. Alright, looks like we need to get C here. Oh, that was weird. My last bullet like didn't shoot. Maybe I just clicked too fast. Maybe the gun has a little delay on it.
We have lost objective Edward.
I need to switch guns for this map.
We have taken objective George.
Alright. Or just need to lock in. I'm not really locked in here. Obviously still focus on trading. Gotta play smarter. Make sure we're not just out in the open. Some cover. We're making our way back up. That is an enemy. Oh yeah, we got a teammate coming to get us.
We are losing objective Duff.
Let's go.
We have taken
Wait, why am I
objective
dying?
Apples.
Where was that guy at? Chat, am I going crazy? What just happened? I mean, maybe he shot me like through the window, but
Small canister going out.
I'm not the horse. Alright, I almost pushed the highs there, but rejected again. Yes, getting that nice reversal setup, pushing lower. Again, kind of only a matter of time, I think, until the Nasdaq does the same. I don't know, again, kind of weird with the divergences here. Here's the Nasdaq doing way different things.
There's smoke grenades for that.
So we can push through the smoke here. I thought that was a person for a sec.
Throw some smoke grenades. Watch it.
Oh, someone trying to, stay still.
Do you want me to patch you up? There's some first aid.
Alright, let's. We got this. Alright, they're winning, but only by a little bit. There's a lot of people over this way.
Are you hurt? I'll patch you up. Sling in a smoke grenade.
Some more smoke in here. Keep our teammates alive. It's my job as a medic.
Wounds, I can fix them.
Alright, good push. Nice, I've taken out the highs actually.
Enemy machine gun over there.
Taken objective
That was
Charlie.
way too close. I'm gonna die here. Maybe.
Here, first aid.
Just barely hurt him. Oh, yeah, this is... I was gonna say, I might still be on the map,
We have lost objective
but
Apples.
it's not. Got away with that. Alright.
Let me patch your wounds.
See if we can get these guys. Ah, I knew that someone was in here. Just didn't know where. Alright, Nasdaq still chopping around. Still being pretty dumb. ES slowly making its way lower though. Dang, maybe I should be trading ES. Not gonna lie. Oh, we had this bullflag play out. And we had this reversal here, right? Kind of bounced off of this area. Went down, boom. Bear flag playing out. Freaking Nasdaq's just chopping. I mean, we chopped down here a lot. That's why I got freaking losing trade. Got chopped up. Then we went up, chopped up some more. Alright, let's try and keep B here though. Kind of losing it.
There, enemy machine gun.
I was gonna say, how can I not hit this guy? I should be able to hit this guy. At least, I think there's just one guy on
Keep
the
this
point.
objective ours.
Oh, I'm the squad leader. Nice.
Sighted. The pilot, over there.
Oh, that's a little unfortunate. There's some more people here. Looks like still one more. Where's he hiding? Is he back here? It's a pretty good spot.
We have lost objective Charlie. Halfway there, the enemy has
See,
the upper
could
hand.
be over there. Yeah. Alright, now the point. It's gonna be mine. I'm in a good spot too. Alright, taking out the lows there. Oh yeah, two guys.
We have taken objective apples.
Our lads have taken the objective. Enemy shock trooper, stay alert.
We have lost objective George.
Enemy's taking the objective. Let's take it back.
Nice.
We have taken objective Charlie.
I need to move in case this guy spawns back. He's gonna know I'm here. So we are getting some support though. Oh. Like he knew exactly where I was. Alright, that's his teammate. This guy's up there. It's gotta be. Alright, we're chilling.
We have taken objective butter.
Are you still just chopping around? I wish I could make the market better.
Objective Duff.
Sorry guys. No good trades here. Just chopping up. I mean I can still take trades, but I'm not trying to blow my accounts. Maybe if I was making lots of money. That's the goal, right? Make lots of money. But if I had a bunch of evals, a bunch of accounts, I would throw on some trades just to see what happens. But no, yeah, right now we gotta play smart. We only got a couple of funded accounts. Don't want to lose them. Trying to get some payouts locked in. So yeah, we gotta play smart, play safe. Right now we're just chopping. So we're gonna avoid any bad
Enemy medic
trades.
sighted. Enemy medic there. Capture the objective now.
kind of a bear flag here, but we're not. I mean, besides taking out some of these lows, we're not really in a downtrend, and we're still in this chop, so it's definitely not a trade that I really want to take. But it is the kind of the setup as far as just like the candle pattern goes. I mean, yeah, we're going right up to the top there. Oh, he's so low. I still got the assist. Oh, that was a close one.
Damage. I'll fix you up.
I hate suppression. Probably say that every time I play this game. But the way suppression works in this game is if someone shoots next to you and you get this suppression effect, it almost makes it impossible to hit people, especially far away. Makes LMGs in this game really good because they can just lay down, shoot someone, give them that suppression effect.
That soldier's one of theirs.
Someone's killing our whole team. Oh, I'm getting shot at. With a pistol. Still chopping. Still chopping. Yeah, price action, absolutely dog water. Thought today would be a little bit better, but it was earlier today. Right, we pushed down, had a decent trade that got stopped on break even, unfortunately. Then we just started chopping some more, and I thought we were going to break out of it, and we did not. And then we got up here, and now we're chopping again. We're just going absolutely nowhere. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna go anywhere the rest of today, possibly. I mean, we'll see. I mean, hopefully 9:30, we break out of this chop, we start to do something.
First aid for you.
But I don't know, it's not looking the best.
Objective must be protected.
Not giving me a lot of confidence here. Still can't believe how beautiful this game is, though, for being nearly 10 years old. And like the dynamic storms, too. Oh no. They must have spotted me because they knew exactly where I was. Had a grenade on me, person on me. Crazy. On spot, the start of today's leg order block is 6:51. Usually need to stay at the start of the leg to retire. Yeah, that makes sense. Take a look at that on TradingView. Yeah, kind of just a rough day. The Russell is actually looking like better price action than the NASDAQ, which is crazy. And like I said as well, ES actually looking like some decent price action as well. Another kind of bigger bear flag here that might play out. We had that good reversal earlier. It's actually moving. NASDAQ, not moving. I gotta make sure to help our team out here.
aid. Use it.
Alright, alright. Take back C here. It's a close game, we don't want to lose this.
Enemy ready. For you. First aid.
Alright, a lot of damage there. But no kills.
First aid. Take it.
We have
Close
taken
one there.
objective Charlie.
I can patch your wounds. Here's some smoke for him.
Ah, I can't see him. I know where this guy is.
Use the machine gun.
Got that cheeky head glitch though. Ah, teammate got him.
There. First aid for you.
Alright, Nasdaq finally taking out the highs. Kinda weird though, Nasdaq taking out the highs, yes. Still trying to go lower. Yeah, this price action, man. What are we doing, chat? What's going on? This is ridiculous. What is going on?
On the top. Watch it.
We have lost objective butter. We have taken objective Duff.
Alright, we're losing C, boys. Gold's moving
We
crazy.
have lost objective
Shoot.
Charlie.
Maybe I should be trading gold. Man, everything's moving crazy except Nasdaq. Normally it's the opposite, right? Normally it's Nasdaq that's moving crazy. Everything else is boring. But today Nasdaq's just taking a snoozer. Little siesta, right? Take a little nap.
Machine gun.
What? Am I lagging? What's going on? I killed him first. And I still died.
We are winning.
We get a nice little push here. Market is kind of just dying though.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, let's see if we get that push out of this bear bull
We
flag.
have taken objective Edward.
It's 8:50, almost top of the hour. Could be that time. Get that little push. Teammates are just dying. Well, looks like we got faked out once again.
Look out. Machine gun.
Stop filled.
Wild. Faked out once again. Held the teammates there. Bull flag. Thought we might finally push the highs again. And got stopped out again. Just another one of those days. I feel like every day's been like that though. I don't really know. I don't really know how to trade it. Not gonna lie. Yeah, stopped out to the tick there. Could have put my stop lower. But I'm not really sure where I would have put in it besides like all the way down here, which Just a little low for me personally. Yeah, market just can't make up its mind. Just gonna continue to chop around, and fortunately we are on the losing side of it. Might lose this account. Only have $844 left of drawdown, fortunately. Pretty unfortunate, but what can you do? Well, I guess we'll try to do some flying here. See if this guy is... Oh, he's a very good flyer. I have no idea where he is. Now getting 2v1'd. Yeah. He has over 8,000 kills in the plane. Guess I won't be flying. Jeez.
We have taken objective Edward.
Feindliches Flugzeug, Jungs!
We have taken objective.
Erste Hilfe! Ich hoffe, das Zeug
Yep,
ist dort.
going lower now. Market just kind of gave up as soon as I got in. Buyers gave up. Love to see it.
Lass mich deine Wunden versorgen! Werfe Rauchgranate!
What a grenade. Right on my body.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Bist du verletzt? Erste Hilfe, greif zu, Mann! Erste Hilfe, greif zu!
Alright, bouncing a little bit now. Might found a little support.
Hier, Mann, erste Hilfe!
Nice little headshot there. Gotta kind of find some ground here. I keep dying.
Ich sieh mir die Wunde an. Rauchgranate unterwegs, aufpassen! Räuchen wir die Brüder auf.
Oh yeah, now the buyers are here. Swear I saw someone's foot there.
Braucht jemand erst?
But yeah, here's the buyers we've been waiting for. Just had to make sure I get stopped out first, right? Love to see it.
Du bist verletzt. Ich kann dir helfen. Soll ich dich wieder zusammenflicken?
Just res all these guys. Dude, what are you doing? There's a guy right by you.
Ich helfe dir.
Gotta keep him alive.
Hier, erste Hilfe.
It's my only job.
Erste Hilfe für dich.
Oh, I nearly died.
Ich krieg dich wieder hin. Ich flick dich zusammen. Erste Hilfe, nimm schon. Versorg deine...
Got a little greedy there. Alright, we had a nice little push. But we're right back to the middle of the range. Still going absolutely nowhere. Oh, I just needed one more bullet. Maybe two to kill him. That was close. Just can't shoot fast enough. I like the optical, like, guns. You know, having this little sight. But, like, look how much it sways when I walk. Makes it really hard to, like... It's not that hard, I did alright, just barely. Just makes it a little hard to kind of aim.
We are losing
Unless I, like,
objective
stop
Duff.
moving. Might be better with the iron sights, not gonna lie. There's a guy like right in here. Some on the map. Oh, he locked me in. I don't know if I have anything. Yeah, I can't open it.
Hier, erste Hilfe.
Nah, that guy doesn't.
We have lost objective Duff.
Oh, someone opened it.
Zeig mir ein bisschen Raum.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Dang. Had the wrong weapon out for that. Well, took out the lows there. Faked out the buyers again with that bush. Stopped him out. And now we're going higher. Yeah, this is the worst price action I've seen in a minute. And it has been kind of rough like this all week. Oh, of course there's an enemy in that. What are we doing? Why is he not dead yet? Come
We are
on,
losing
team.
objective Butter.
Damit kommst du auf die Beine. Erste Hilfe, nimm schon.
Alright, out of the way. Give this guy's assault
The
class.
sensor is available near your location.
Oh, it's a teammate. Someone's not, though. I'm surrounded by teammates. And I'm taking damage. Alright, alright. Not done reloading yet. Got a bunch of guys. It's a nice gun. I don't think I've unlocked it yet. Just because I haven't like done the challenges and stuff for it. Kinda nice. I do like the assault class. I just don't like that I can't like heal myself.
Das ist ein feindlicher Speer.
It's one of the reasons why. Oh jeez. One of the reasons I don't usually play assaults is because I like the medic. I'm able to keep teammates alive. And also myself. Let's see though. What's that gun called again?
We have lost objective Edward.
I think it's this one. So I need level 10, the assault class. Not sure what level I am. I think this gun's pretty good.
We have taken objective Duff.
Maybe we'll try it for a little bit. Yeah, 80 bullets. I like 80 bullets. I can still go nowhere. Kind of faking out the buyers and the sellers, stopping everybody out. Yeah, hopefully no one blew any accounts today. This is the kind of price action that blows up accounts. I feel like it's been like this. I've said it so many times. Hopefully it's not getting annoying, but for those of you who have not heard about this stream recently, we've had a couple of decent days, but then most of the days are kind of like this. How is that guy still alive? Got greedy again.
We have taken objective Edward.
But yeah. Typically, what I've seen anyways, is at least like, because there's 5 days in a week, right? 5 trading days in a week. Typically 3 of those days are usually pretty solid, pretty kind of what I would call a normal, right? Decent price action. And you're able to get some trades if you don't. Oh, that grenade's gonna kill me. Where am I?
Objective Charlie.
Gosh dang it. Oh, he's a sentry. He's hard to kill anyways. Even if I did play that better. Yeah, not the best map for assault class, but try and get
We have taken objective Duff.
in the action here. I feel like he's got to be in here somewhere. Maybe not. Someone's hiding around here. Probably. Don't know how that was not a kill. Shot in the back, even though I have 3 teammates behind me. I'd love to see it. Gotta stop like trusting my teammates. Crazy that that's like a thing. Yeah, this gun shreds. In the right situations. But yeah, hopefully you guys are doing alright with the prize action.
Das ist ein Panzer! Erobert das verdammte Ziel!
Halfway there, we have the upper hand.
Got the wrong plane here. It's kind of
Seht ihr?
hoping for an attack plane or something.
Panzer!
So let's take out that guy. Oh, yep. I was gonna say, I don't know where the enemy plane's at, but he's right on my ass. Holy crap. I forgot, this is the same guy from earlier. 29 kills, 8 deaths. He's 81 stars in the fighter plane. Jeez. You get a star for every 100 kills, by the way. Which means he has 8,000 kills in the plane. Like, I'm not a good dogfighter anyways, but like, against him, I can't do anything. Holy cow. Oh, this team sucks though.
An enemy airship is en route.
Looks like this one's probably gonna be.
Vorsicht! Das ist einer ihrer Soldaten!
61. Oh, it's such a bad spot. I can't go anywhere. Yeah, not a fan of this sniper.
An enemy airship has arrived.
Don't know why I picked it. Not gonna lie.
Soldat da drüben! Feindliches Flugzeug! Aufpassen! Feindlicher Soldat! Luftschiff gesichtet!
Yeah, stack, still going nowhere. Not sure why I can't hit this guy. Just like the movement of the blimp makes it really hard for some reason. There we go. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Oh, I got some back.
Feindliches Flugzeug! Ich sehe ein Flugzeug!
Well, market's still going nowhere. No trades to be taken here.
Is available near your location.
Oh wow. Just look at that. Nice.
Das Ziel verteidigen.
We have lost objective Charlie.
Das Ziel da! Erobern!
Oh, there's like a lot of them behind me. Well, market's still chopping around. Want to make back some of this money, but don't think I'm going to be able to today.
Aufpassen, Sturmsoldat!
Almost got both of them there. Oh, I'm in such a bad spot. Yeah, I'm dead. Got no cover. Unfortunate. He's almost over there. I don't know, my tryhardness. I don't even know what you call that. Definitely gone down. I've kind of just been.
Jetzt raus! Koordinator raus, aufpassen!
We have lost objective Duff.
Taking this game a little easy. No point in trying too hard. We're gonna win anyways. Nothing they can do now.
Das ist ein feindlicher Sturmsoldat!
Rumor has it in the game chat that that guy's cheating, but
Da! Feindliche Sanitäter!
why would I know? He is at the top of the scoreboard. Not that that means anything, but
We have taken objective Charlie.
game is just about over.
Feindflugzeug, aufpassen! Flugzeug, seht ihr das? Flugzeug gesichtet!
We have lost objective Apples.
I need to work on that. So I hit these guys out of the sky.
Flugzeug in Sichtweite!
Good game, I guess. Didn't play the best, but this doesn't try too hard at the end. Yeah, yes, making lows. Definitely some better price action over there. Should probably have traded ES. Like I said earlier, should have traded some ES today. Nasdaq finally pulling back a little bit, getting out of this range, but I'd be very surprised if we didn't just bounce right back into the range and keep chopping. It's just not going anywhere today. It's kind of frustrating. Yeah, I hate to see it. But maybe we're finally getting out of it a little bit. We are at VWAP though. So I might just shop around VWAP now. Might bounce off VWAP. Who knows? Yeah, pretty rough day. And today's even like it's a good news day. I mean, we had like PPI earlier today, this morning before the market opened. Moved up 100 points. This means we should have done something, right? That big news push. Should have either kind of held it and pushed higher or kind of broken through and gone lower, but instead we've literally just been chopping around doing nothing.
We have taken objective apples.
Dog water price action. It's not doing anything.
We have taken objective butter.
Yes, though, has been moving nicely. Same with like RCY, some of the other stuff out there has been moving pretty decently. How is that not a kill? Hit that guy with a rocket. Hit him for 90. Gotta be kidding me. Alright, let's get up close and personal. Let's do some damage. Oh yeah. See, this is the distance. This gun is beautiful. Over here, not so much. I guess we could throw a little grenade. Maybe hop in this bad boy. I think this thing should be a little stronger. Okay, get snuck up on here. Yep. Ah, finally moving lower now. It's about freaking time. We've been here all freaking day. Still not out of it yet. Still back down to this other choppy area.
We have lost objective apples. We have taken objective duck.
Ah, no way. I mean, I guess that's a good shot. Unfortunately. Oh, there's not even a single medic nearby? Come on. Come on, team. How did that guy not die? He like walked past my bullets. And he did not die. I mean, there was another guy there, so I still would have died in the end. I should have gotten another kill. Oh, let me move, dang it. Ah, I got stuck behind my teammate. Oh, I died anyways. It's a good res.
We are losing objective Butter.
Yeah, I keep getting stuck on teammates' bodies. I'm trying to dodge.
Feindlicher
Oh,
Tank!
we're dead. I was doing good. I was 6-0, and now we're 7-3. Getting really unlucky here with the freaking tanks and teammates, and might be lagging a little bit too. Oh man. Need to push up, I'm not really sure. I'm gonna be able to.
We are losing objective Charlie.
Maybe out here. Oh. Lovely. Oh, he's gonna die if he tries to res me. Well, we're doing well, and now we're losing every single point
Feindlicher Speer gesichtet!
on the map.
Panzer gesichtet!
We have taken objective Apple.
Oh my gosh, why is there guys on every side of me?
Rauchgranate unterwegs!
Jeez.
We are losing objective Charlie. We have lost objective Charlie.
Team's doing kind of rough. Might need to switch to medic. Doesn't look like we have a ton of medics. Doing too well today. Let's see.
Werft eine Rauchgranate! Vorsicht jetzt! Das sind Panzer! Wir müssen das Ziel erobern! Feindlicher Sturmsoldat, seid vorsichtig! Da, ein Speer!
Jeez, that guy annihilated me. Yeah, I need more medics. We're gonna win this. Well, the price was moving. Now we're chopping again. Down there at the lows. Also kind of lagging a little bit too. Not really sure what's going on. I need to restart my game or something.
Du bist verletzt. Ich kann dir helfen.
Oh yeah, this pistol sucks. Just kidding, I suck. But jeez. It just like takes, there's like a little delay for the shot. So I'm like aiming at him and then I click and it takes a sec to like shoot and then he moves. That was just, it was weird. And terrible aim.
Ich krieg dich wieder hin.
We are losing objective butter.
Dang it. I'll get him up.
Zeit für ein bisschen Rauch. Ich sehe mir die Wunde an. Ich sehe ihn! Sturmsoldat!
We have taken objective Charlie.
That's run out of ammo. What an angle. Alright, pulling back up to VWAP. Sellers had us convinced for a sec we might push out of this. But I'll already bouncing back to VWAP. Probably just gonna keep chopping around. 9:30. Getting pretty close to the 10 o'clock lunch hour. Which means we're probably gonna be pretty much dead from now on. Oh, I'm already taking heck of damage. I don't even know from what.
We are losing objective Charlie.
Dang, I can't see anything. Teammates are quitting too. That's not gonna help. Not gonna help the cause. Might be a bear flag playing out, but at the same time, it's hard to trust it. I mean, with how we've been moving earlier, flag, no flag, doesn't really matter. We've just been getting stopped out. I mean, we got a little push there, but I won't be surprised if the screen candle takes out the high here. Just kind of how we've been moving today.
Das ist ein feindlicher Sturmsoldat. Erste Hilfe, greif zu, Mann!
Dang, there's so many snipers today.
The enemy
And they're actually like good.
Damit kommst du auf die Beine. Jetzt raucht's! Versorg deine Wunden! Lass mich deine Wunden versorgen. Aufpassen, feindlicher Speer gesichtet.
They got a lot of snipers on their team. It's not very typical for this map,
Du bist verletzt, ich sehe mir das an.
but I mean, I guess it's working. Clearly, they're killing me.
Erste Hilfe. Ich hoffe, das Zeug nützt was. Erste Hilfe, nimm schon.
Dude, that gas fire is just the worst. Like, it still killed me. I was on fire for so
We are losing
long.
objective Charlie.
That's wild.
Wir müssen dieses Ziel verteidigen.
Alright, gotta hold C here.
Panzer in Sicht. MG, seid vorsichtig. Soll ich deine Wunden versorgen? Bist du verletzt?
We are losing objective Duff.
Draufgranate raus.
Oh, I know there's someone back there. Of course, there's more.
Hier, erste Hilfe.
Oh boy. Nice.
Ein Speer. Seht ihr ihn? Panzer gesichtet.
Oh. Don't you love to see that? You walk around the corner, and there's just a tank waiting. Still, no good price action, no good trades. We're still losing here by a little bit. Even though we had... Oh my
We are
gosh.
losing objective
Of
Charlie.
course he's camping up in the spot that's impossible to get to.
Wieder auf.
There's no way I can kill that guy from here.
Hier, Mann, erste Hilfe. Das Das Ziel verteidigen. Bin ihr auf einen MG gestoßen. Die Wunde mal ansehen. Ziel erobern. Los doch. Da drüben, Speer. Ich helfe dir! Ich hab schon aufgegeben. Rauchgranate ins Haus.
That's not how I took so much damage there. I know I was on fire from the flare, but someone shoot me through the window as well, and they did a frick ton of damage.
Rauchgranate unterwegs!
I don't know how some of these shots aren't hitting.
Hier, erste Hilfe. Leite das Sanität.
Still have the snipers back there. Lovely. Just posted up, camping. I mean, that is what snipers do, obviously. But it just feels weird on this map. This map is a smaller, kind of infantry-based map with a couple of tanks. Like on the bigger maps, it makes perfect sense to have a bunch. What the? This guy's just chilling right next to us. Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Yeah.
We have taken
To
objective
be
Edward.
posted up on a mountain, off in the distance, sniping, waiting for some kills. But yeah, guys just chilling over here, like. It was weird on this map.
Werfe Rauchgranate!
We are losing objective Edward.
Move, teammate.
Rauchgranate unterwegs! Auf!
Shotgun. Love it. Taking out the high on the woman here on Nasdaq. Still not really going anywhere. This is probably just chopping. It almost looks like a reversal.
Wir dürfen das Ziel nicht verlieren. Verteidigt es!
We have
Holy
lost
cow, there's a
objective Edward.
lot of people.
Das ist schwer!
shoot me through the wall. Jeez. Oh, that sucks. The timing. Oh my gosh. I got it from my prone to like just crouch instead. And they all come around the corner the second I start moving. And if you couldn't tell, you can't exactly like, when you're getting up from a prone, you put your arm down and you can't shoot.
Braucht jemand erste Hilfe?
Also, I can't move right now. What the heck is this? Game's a little buggy. Not a perfect game.
Erobert dieses Ziel.
Some of the movement sometimes. You probably know, sometimes when I try and vault over things like this, or like climb up on top of things, it like, maybe you'll see it. There's like a weird animation. I like end up going lower than higher. It's really weird. So instead of going up. Oh, come on, get the kill. There's one shot.
We have taken objective apples.
I'm still doing good. I mean, 2 KD, but I get some bad luck here though on these lives here.
We are losing.
Ich sehe mir die Wunde mal an.
We're still losing. We've been doing really well holding these points.
Das Ziel dort erobert.
Even like 4 at a time, but they just got like a lead in the beginning. We haven't been able to come back from it. Which really sucks.
Erste Hilfe, greif zu.
Yeah, we have to take a point here, but I don't think we're gonna be able to. Yeah, they're all over D.
Damit kommst du auf die Beine.
Ah, the tank's back. Oh, she actually got it.
Das ist ein feindlicher Sanitäter.
If we took D... Nah, even if we took D, we probably wouldn't have been able to come back. It's just too close. They just need like a couple kills to win.
We are
They don't even need any
objective
points. Yeah. Unfortunate.
We have taken objective Edward.
Kind of a reversal setup here. Could be pushing higher, but still just kind of sitting in this middle of this area from earlier. I mean, we chopped down here, chopped up here, now we're kind of just in the middle of it. So, yeah, not really sure what the move is. Probably just gonna have to be done trading, unfortunately. Not making any trades, any setups. Price action is so bad. Look at the 5 minute. We just got choppy awake for half the day.
Hold the objective.
Let's see if we can kill. Never mind. Can't kill nobody. You guys are spotted, but I don't know if I can. Oh no, I can hit them. Alright, the anti-air I see is trying to take us out. Might need to take it out first.
We have lost objective Freddy.
Can't remember.
Anti-aircraft guns right there.
I'm dead. That sucks. Hopefully the teammate got him. Mine was just a little bit off. Kind of slowed my speed down. Not the best. Plan of action.
Spotted a soldier. Capture that damn objective. I'm looking right at an enemy soldier.
Holy crap, why can't I move? I don't know what I got hit by, but I just lost all mobility. Ah, it's another thing that sucks in this game. I mean, it makes sense, it's part of the game, but
We have taken objective Freddy.
sometimes you take like 20 damage, which isn't even that much. But then you, like, your wing goes out, so you can't even, like, turn. And it sucks. That's a bad strafe as well. Straight right over the whole enemy team. Tanks, anti-air, everything. Got greedy. Dang.
Sighting an enemy soldier. Careful, enemy soldier. Capture the objective. Look sharp. That soldier's one of theirs.
We have lost objective Duff.
Dang. Can't find anybody to shoot. Kinda wanna switch squads too. I don't like being the squad leader. So I can better spot people.
You see him? One of their soldiers. Enemy plane.
We have taken objective Duff.
Did you see that? An enemy tank. Calvin, up there.
You see, like, what is that? Ah, I don't know what that is, but it... Like, is that an LMG? Because it's not anti-air.